What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel here, Hungry Wolf Blueprint. I am Majid Assaf, the founder and CEO of the business. And what my team and I specialize in is getting our clients high amounts of funding at 0% interest. We have other funding products as well, but that is our flagship product, is our 0% interest business funding. We've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs so far. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you about 8 really cool, insane benefits when it comes to using this 0% interest funding that very few people know about. We're going to be covering all 8 throughout the video. Stay tuned. Check out all the content here. A lot of this is packed with value that can benefit you financially, whether you want to improve your credit to get funding or you want to learn how you can access capital at 0%. If you like this video, if you feel like the content is benefiting you, please feel free to subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram as well, Hungry Wolf _ Blueprint. And yeah, with that said, let's get kicked off here. And I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and we're going to talk about these all in more detail. All right, so on this content here, we're going to talk about the benefits of 0% interest funding. And really, we see this as a potential path for the average person to be able to become financially free faster in life by leveraging this model and understanding how it works. So some really powerful benefits of the 0% interest business credit cards are what we're going to be covering here in this video. And what I want to start off by emphasizing is that it doesn't affect your personal credit profile, right? So, for example, what do I mean by this? If somebody has a personal credit card, and let's say that card has a $10,000 limit, if you go and you spend all $10,000 on that card, if you max it out, your credit score, if it was, let's say, 800, it's going to go down to 700 or maybe even 680. Because when that high usage posts, it's going to bring your overall credit score on all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, down significantly. However, if you get a business credit card, and let's say we get you approved or you get an approval of $50,000 on this business credit card, even if you max it out, if you use all $50,000, it will not affect your personal credit score at all. So imagine being able to access $50,000, using all of that to grow your business and having no impact on your personal credit score. So this is the first and a very powerful benefit of being able to use the 0% interest business credit cards. And one thing that I see all the time is business owners that come to us, and they're looking for funding and they're using their personal credit cards to grow. So they're spending high amounts on these personal credit cards, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, and they look at their credit score and it's gone down a lot. And the reason why that happens is because having high usage consists of 30% of your credit score. So if you max them out, the score is going to go down a lot. Now, the second benefit, this goes hand in hand with the first one. It's that the utilization on your business credit cards does not report to your personal credit profile whatsoever. So if somebody opens up their report and they look at their personal credit profile, they're going to see all of their personal credit cards and the usage on them. However, your business credit cards will not show any usage on your report. And you can see that, for example, if you use Experian.com, any kind of credit monitoring like My Score IQ, My Free Score Now, even Credit Karma, you can see this. You'll see the personal credit cards, but you will not see usage on the business credit cards, which is a great thing for your personal credit profile. Now, the third part, and this is related to when you're going to do applications for funding, you can actually expect to secure 3 to 4x higher limits on the business credit cards if you do it the right way than you can on the personal credit cards. What do I mean by this? So, for example, let's say you have a personal credit card with a $5,000 limit, right? If you go and you apply properly for a business credit card, you should secure a card with around a $15,000 limit on that business credit card. So that is what's meant here by you can secure 3 to 4x higher limits than your personal credit cards. If you have a stronger personal credit card, like a 10K plus card, for example, that's going to get you even better limits when you go for the business credit cards. And so what's our fourth benefit? Our fourth is that your monthly payment is only 1% of what you're using. So, for example, if we do some quick math, right? Let's say we secure $100,000 in business credit cards and you want to deploy that in your business. Let's say you want to buy some inventory for your e-commerce store. You spend all the 100,000. You only need to pay 1% of what you're using, and it all goes to principal. So 1% of 100,000, that's $1,000 a month. That's your minimum payment to pay back on the cards to the banks where that you borrowed the money from. And it's all going to principal. So if you're making, let's say, 11 payments over the next 11 months, you're paying down $11,000 of principal. You're paying no interest on that money. You're basically borrowing the money from the bank for free. And even better than that, that's going to bring us into our point number 5. It's not just for free, but you're actually going to get paid for borrowing the money from the bank. And this is how. So benefit number 5 is that there are really strong reward points and cashback rewards that you can get from these cards as free money if you know how to choose the right ones and get the best options for what you need for your business. So for example, if somebody goes and gets $100,000 in business credit cards and they spend all of that 100K, you can expect to get anywhere from 3 to 5% in cashback rewards in a combination of cashback and bonuses and different credit card points. All of that can add up to almost $5,000 in some cases, sometimes even more. If you use the 100,000 and then you pay it off and then you use it again, you can get the rewards, you can get the cashback rewards again. So this is why you're not just borrowing money from the bank at 0%, but you're actually getting paid to use that money. And if you're using 100,000, that's like $5,000 of free money. So, it is a powerful tool when you know how to leverage it properly. Now, the sixth benefit, and this is a really cool one as well, is a lot of these cards are 0% interest for 12 months. Some of them are even 0% interest for 18 months. And by doing this, for example, with our clients, when we work with our clients, we don't just get them the funding, but they learn how we did it. Because you can go back again, and the key word here is it can be extended. So it's 12 to 18 months, but if you understand the strategy and how you can get yourself another round at another 0%, and have $100,000 or $150,000 again at 0% interest. So that was the sixth point. The seventh, and this is really cool also, if you have somebody that does not have a business yet, or maybe they just started their business but they don't have revenue, they can still be eligible for these 0% interest business credit cards. And if you see some of my previous videos, the most important criteria to qualify for this is that you need to have a strong personal credit profile. So even if you have a fresh business, if you don't have revenue yet, you can still qualify for 100K, maybe even 150K, if you do it right and you follow the steps and you have a strong personal credit profile. And finally, the eighth one, this can be done with a brand new corporation or LLC. You do want to make sure that you're setting it up in the right way, making sure that you have the right details when you are, registering for the articles, the EIN numbers, everything like that. But this can be done with a brand new LLC. And of course, if you have an aged corp, or you have a business that has a little bit more age to it, like maybe 2 to 5 years older, you can get even better results with your funding by leveraging this strategy. So yeah, those were all the 8 benefits of the 0% business credit cards. I hope that this video added some value for you. Maybe it benefited you, and maybe this is something that you're thinking about doing. And if you do have any questions, just drop a comment or send us a message on Instagram. Check us out on our website. It'll be in the link here in the bio. And if you just want to improve your credit, we can help you with that. And even if you wanted us to help you to get funding, or if you want to try to do this yourself, this video explains more about what that would look like. So thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to next time. And again, feel free to like, subscribe. It really helps us, helps our team to get the word out there, and for people to understand the benefits of 0% interest business funding.